Hey, what's up guys, it's Portuguese DIY Dad. Today I'm restoring my headlights on my pickup truck, my beater, the one I used to go to Lowe's and get some wood or get some chicken food or whatnot. Ever since I bought the truck, noticed that the headlamps were foggy. All right, instead of buying new ones, okay, I did my research and I found a product that helps restore the headlights. So I'm using it today. And I already did one, and I want to show you the difference, see what it looks like. All right, here we go. So this is one that is not done, okay? And then this is one that is done. And now it says to put, to protect the paint. So I put some tape around so I wouldn't get the paint, even though this paint is all faded. But big difference. Huge difference already. Okay, I just started. Okay, I did this, I started, I'm gonna do another coat, and it's looking so much better. I mean, if I give you far away picture, look at that difference. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and tape the other one up and do my thing. The product that I'm using is from Meguiar's, and it's Plast X. All right, and the product is going to be in the description box. There's going to be a link that goes right to Amazon. That's where I bought it. And then afterwards, after I'm done restoring it, there's another product that I'm going to put on, and then that is supposed to protect the headlamp from getting foggy again. Okay, and you do that once a year. All right, so let's go. I just finished up taping around, and look how foggy that is. I mean, like, I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but man, it is so foggy. I don't think this has ever been done on this headlight. All right, and look at the difference. Nice and clear. Look at that. That looks amazing. All right, so I'm using I bought this buffing kit, and I'm also gonna throw the link to this in the description box. It was a few dollars, man, and let me tell you, it'll save you a lot of time. All right, that's how much we put. We're gonna pick a spot. I'm gonna start on the left to right. I am finished buffing it out. Now let me just clean it. And who said beaters can't look nice? You can have a good looking beater. This is my beater, my good looking beater. All right, there it is, guys. I did the best I could on this one. I think the one on the left came out a little bit better, in my opinion. And lastly, I already put this on this one. This is a headlight coating. It was also recommended online after I spent a lot of time researching. It is a coating that goes over the headlight, and it protects it for about a year. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry. I hope this saves you some money by restoring your headlight instead of purchasing a set of headlights. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. All right, appreciate it. God bless.